morning, dears. We have completed exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.3. Here you need to apply your brain little bit because the letters are given and the letters has to be replaced with the number. So that sum should be exact. How to write it? Number 1 you can see you have given A, B, 2A is equal to B and 8. Now you have to find such a digit so that this should be same. Now the value of B should same and the value of A should same. Now what plus what you need to find? In that case, just B if I replace with 5 and if I A replace with 5, it gives you 8 because I need to have 8. Now A is 3, 2, B is 5. So in both the cases I need a same number. When I add, it gives you 8 and 5. Is it? See number 2. 2B. Here you have to use brain, nothing else. Play with the numbers. The chapter itself is a playing with number. Now you have a certain number. When you add with itself, it gives you A. And second case, you are getting 4 plus 2, 6 is equal to A. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So B is replaced with 3. You get A means 6 and 4, 2, A means 6. So here you can write B is equal to 5 and A is equal to 2. 3, not 2, 3. Here you can write B is equal to 3 and A is equal to 6. Let us see number 3. 6A, 87, C, B, 3. Now it is 7, this is 3. So it cannot be 7 minus 4, no? 7 plus 6 is 3. So A is replaced with 6. So 6 plus 7, 13. Carrying 1, 6 and 8, 14. It means B is replaced with 4 and A is replaced with 1. And 1, 15. No? 8 plus 6, 14 and carrying 1, 15. So A is equal to 6, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 1. Like that you need to replace it. Let us see number 9. AB into BA is equal to BCB. Now what should be? If A I replace with 1 and B I replace with 2, so this is 2, 1, 12. So this is 2, 5, 2. B is 2. Getting same number. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 5. Like that we need to apply. Question number 2, it says find the value of A and B to satisfy the given condition. Question number 2 is given AB into AB is equal to AC4. Now a number multiplied with itself end with 4. So number should end with 2. Then it end with 4. Is it? Now if I multiply with, then the first digit A should here also end. If I take 22, A and B we cannot take same, is it? So if I take 32, it will be more than 3 digits. It means we have to replace with 1 and 2, 1, 4, 4. So the value of A remains same. A is equal to 2, B is equal to, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 4 for question number 2. So just you have to use the tricks, my dear. Place the prime numbers 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 such that the rows and the diagonals add up to the same number, same prime number. Now you need to arrange these numbers such a way so when you add the rows it will be same, and if you add the diagonal it will be same. Is it? Given numbers are given numbers are 3. Given numbers are 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. Now you need to arrange in such a way. So when you add this way or this way, it should same. Now how to place it? Is it? How to place it, maybe? Within 13, if I place at the middle number. Now here 5, 18, here 3, 3, 6, 36, 39. 5, 3, 8, 3, 11, 41. 9, 7, 16, 5, 26, 36, 5, 41. Anyhow you add, you are getting 41. So this is the way to do question number 3. Question number 4 and 5, the magic squares you need to do. Let us see question number 6. Here you need to observe the pattern and write the answer. Is given 4 square 16, 3 4 square 1 1 5 6, 3 3 4 square 1 1 1 5 5 6. Is it? Now 3 3 4 square, then we need 4 1 and 5 5 6. Now here you have 4 3s 4 square, then you have 5 1s, 3 3s of 4 3s of 4 5s and 6. This will be the answer. Question number 6. Question number 7. 9 into 11, 99. 9 into 101, 9999. 99 into 1001, then this is 6 nines. So how many you have? 4 nines you total. See, 2 2 2, 4 nines into 3 zeros and 1. So 1 9, 2 nines, 2 9, 4 nines, 3 9, 6 9. So 4 nines, it will be 8 nines. One's double is 99. 2 nines, 4, 2 twos are 4. 3 nines, 2 threes are 6. So 4 nines, so you will have 8 nines. So this is question number 6 and 7. Okay. You will finish it today. Next we will be solving next day. Thank you, dears.